Here is the 2018 Forest River Vibe 21 FBS. We'll start here at the front. So we have the power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, two batteries with their own battery boxes. We have a battery shutoff. A little piece here that needs to be tucked in. Front cap has some cracking in the, I don't know what this is, if it's a sticker. Peeling letters on the front. We have a slide out with cable slide. Pass through storage. There's a little crinkle on the aluminum here. Probably had a tire blowout. Everything under here looks good. Power line comes out of here. Outdoor shower. Black tank flush on the very back. And this one has power stabilizer jacks, so you hit this button to make the back two go up or down. And then there's one for the front two. This side we have some outlets, outdoor speakers, and the power awning with the LED lights. I have no idea what that is. Let's go inside. All right, so up front is the Murphy bed. Have the dinette over here in the slide out. One side has a big drawer and the entertainment area with a little pantry. And shelves up above. Fridge on this side. And the bathroom. Very big bathroom with tons of storage. And that's the Vibe.